Okay, today's topic is HCF and LCM. Okay, before doing HCF and LCM, we have to revise first of all factors and multiples. Okay, yesterday we did this. Yes, anyone knows what is multiple? Yes, tell me if anybody knows multiples. What are multiples?
Tables.
Table. Okay, if I am writing here multiples of 3, then tell me the multiples of 3.
6, 9, 12,
3,
6,
6,
13,
9,
12,
12.
25,
Okay, very good,
27,
very good. Okay, very good. After that, factors. What are factors? Yes.
That can be divisible by the table, like the
divisible,
factors 2 is
exactly
4.
divisible by that table. Very good. Means if I am saying that factors of 10, then it means in how many tables 10 will come? Tell me the factors of 10.
2,
First of all,
5.
1. First of all,
Yes.
1 and the number itself must be the factor of every number. 1.
1, 2, 5, 4, 5, and 10.
At 10. Very good. Means there are 4 factors of 10. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now, first of all, understand the concept of LCM and HCF. Okay. LCM. The full form of LCM is
Lowest common factor.
you can say lowest. Okay. Lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. And in HCF means in LCM you are talking about multiples. Okay. We are talking about multiples. And in HCF, the full form of HCF is highest common factor.
Highest common.
Very good. Highest or greatest common factor. Okay. And in HCF, we will talk about factors. Is it clear? For example, LCM and HCF is possible when we have 2 or more than 2 numbers. Okay. Minimum we have 2 numbers. Okay. For example, if we have a number, 2 numbers, 4 and 8. Okay. So you have to find the LCM of 4 and 8. I told you that in LCM we are talking about multiples. Okay. Write the multiples of 4 and write the multiples of 8 here. Multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, next 20, 24, up to so on.
28.
Is it now? After 28, 32. And write the multiples of 8. 8. First of all, 8, next 16, next 24, next 32, next 40, and next up to so on. Now see here, how to find means LCM. First of all, in LCM we are talking about multiples and least. L stands for least, means lowest. You have to find lowest common multiple. Now tell me which one is the lowest common multiple from 4 and 8.
16.
Lowest.
No,
8.
Very good. Lowest. Lowest means 8 is the lowest common multiple from 4 and 6. Now see here, next we have many common factors, many common multiples. Okay, but you have to find the least one. That is 8. Next we have 16 also. Next after we have next common multiple also. Okay, but in LCM you have to find the least one. If we have here that means this one, if this one is highest, can you find the highest common multiple from any number? Can you find the highest? No, we can't find the highest common multiple from any 2 numbers or 3 numbers, because this sign shows continuity, that it's just going on. You can just find the lowest common multiple. Is it clear? From LCM. This is the main concept of LCM. After this, we have proper 2 methods for finding HCF and LCM. Okay, this is not a method, this is just the concept. Okay, after that, now in HCF, we are talking about factors. Okay, and factors means highest one factor, not the lowest one, highest one. Now see here, if we have again these 2 numbers, take the 2 numbers, these same 4 and 8. Now you have to write the factors. Okay, factors of 4 and factors of 8. Factors of 4 are first of all 1, then 2, then 4. Now the factors of 8 are
1,
1,
2,
2,
4,
4,
8.
8. Very good. These are the factors. These are the factors of 4 and 8. And one more thing, factors are limited. Means we can count factors of any number. Okay, like if we have means 1000 number, we have limited factors, because you have to count factors from 1 to 1000, but you can't count multiples of any number, because multiples are unlimited. Okay, we can't count, but we can count factors. Okay, now see here, HCF. H means highest. In HCF, you have to find the highest common factor. Now tell me, which one is the highest common factor from 8
4.
and 4? Very good, 4.
4.
Yes, very good. This one is the highest. If we have here lowest, then from every number we have answer always 1, because 1 is common from all the factors. Okay, so in HCF, we are talking about factors and highest factor, highest common factor. And in LCM, we are talking about multiples, and multiple means lowest common multiple or least common multiple. Is it clear?
Yes.
This is the main concept of HCF and LCM. Now we have proper two methods. Now we have proper two methods to find HCF and LCM. Okay, that is. Wait, I'm sending picture in group. Yes. Link 1. Okay, after that. Now, we have basically two methods. First one is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. And the second method is division method. Okay, we have two methods to find HCF and LCM. First of all, we are doing prime factorization method. Okay, for HCF and for LCM. LCM and HCF. First of all, HCF. Okay, means we have two numbers. For example, take two numbers, any two numbers, that is 16 and 32. Okay, now this one is prime factorization method. I'm writing here prime factorization. Okay, I told you yesterday what are prime numbers. Can anyone tell me?
The number which have only two
The one which can
only
only
be
divide
divided by itself.
the number
Very
1
good.
and number itself.
Very good. Means a number that has just only two factors, 1 and the number itself. That is called prime number. So it's prime factorization. You have to choose prime numbers just. Prime factorization is basically, for prime factorization method, you have to find prime factorization separate. Okay? Separate. First of all, 16. You have to select the factors, prime factors, because this is prime factorization. Okay? First of all, 16 comes in the table of 2.
2.
You have to select prime number. 2 8 times 16. After that, 8 again comes in the table of 2.
2 4 are 8.
4 times 8. Again means don't select here that 4. No, because 4 is not a prime number. It's composite and you have to select prime number. After that, again 2. 2 times 4. And then we have again 2 1 times 2. When we have 1, it means now you stop. Okay. After that, find the prime factorization of 32. Again, with the table of, first of all, with the table of 2, 2 1 times 2, 1 carry, and 2 6 times 12. Again with the table of 2, 2 8 times 16, 2 4 times 8, 2 2 times 4, and 2 1 times 2. Now write the factors of 16 and 32. 16 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And 32 is equals to 2 into 5 times 2. Okay. Now, remember this. In HCF, you have to just write common factors. Common factors. Okay. From both numbers. First of all, this one is common from these two numbers. After that, again 2 is common. Again 2 is common. And again 2 is common. These are the common factors from these two numbers. Now write the common factors. Means write this pair one time. Means write this pair one time too. After that means there are 4 2's common. This one, and this one. Okay. Now multiply these factors. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 16. And 8 into 2 is 16. It means the HCF of 16 and 32 is 16. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes. Okay.
In this way, you can find HCF by prime factorization. Now,
Yes.
I am giving you one question, okay? And you have to do that question by prime factorization, okay?
Okay.
And send me in group, okay? Click picture and send me in group. Just wait a minute. Okay. 21 and 49. Find the HCF by prime factorization method. Do fast and your writing should be very neat and clean. Hurry up. बेटे आपने फिर Zoom ऐप इंस्टॉल नहीं किया होगा मोबाइल अपनी डिवाइस में. Yes, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so click picture and send me in group.
Ma'am, answer is 7.
Send me in group. Okay, Hamail. Very good, Hamail, very good. Next. Rest of the students, better do fast.
If I'm standing in group, I have.
Okay. Muhammad Ibrahim, yes, very good. Yes, Vanya, very good. But students, you have to write this one also. HCF equals common factors and then it's 6. Oh, sorry, 7. Yes, Sarosh, very good. Yes, Minal, very good. And Minal, where you write it's HCF. You have to write here HCF equals 7. Okay, Minal?
Okay.
Okay, students, stop writing. Now see here. Now see here. Now we are doing LCM by prime factorization. Okay. Again, the method is same, just there is a little bit difference in the last. Okay. First of all, again, take LCM means take prime factorization separate. First of all, 14, the numbers are 14 and 22. 14 and 22. Now, take prime factorization. 2 7 times 14. After that, 7 1 times 7. Because 7 is a prime number. It comes in the table of 1 and itself. After that, 22. First of all, 22 comes in the table of 2. 2 1 times 2, 2 1 times 2. And next, 11. 11 comes in the table of 11 R1. So 11 is prime number. 11 1 times 11. After that, same, write the factors. First of all, the factors of 14 are 2 into 7 and the factors of 22 are 2 into 11. Now, in HCF, you have to just write common factors. But in LCM is basically the product of common factors and non-common factors. Okay, right here, common factors multiply by non-common factors. First of all, common factors are just 2. Okay, common factor is 2 and then multiply. Non-common factors are 7 and 11. So write these 2 also. Okay, and then multiply these numbers. 2 into 7 is 14. 2 into 7 is 14 and 14 into 11 is 154. This one is LCM. Is it clear? There is difference just from the last. In HCF, you have to just write common factors, and in LCM, you have to write you have to write the product of common factors and non-common factors. Is it clear?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I write the short form of common factor
Okay,
and non-common?
you write means you can write CF multiply and CF. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Is it clear? LCM and HCF by prime factorization. Do you have any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm giving you one question. You have to do that question by prime factorization. Just wait a minute. Okay. Question is 15 and 21. Find LCM by prime factorization. Hurry up. Yes, Sufyan, very good. Yes, Zainab, very good. No, Alishba. Alishba, listen. Alishba, are you listening? Okay, Alishba, bete, you have, for example, here we have common factor 2. You have to write this pair one time, not 2 times. Like in question, you have means common, that is 7. So you have to write this pair one time, that is 7, not 7 into 7. Okay, correct it and then send it to me again. Minal Fatima. Minal, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Bete, you did division method. By prime factorization method, in prime factorization method, you have to take prime factorization separate. In LCM, you have to take means together. Okay? Find prime factorization separate. This method is by division method. And we are doing prime factorization method. Do it again by separate division.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay. Yes, I am checking. Yes, very good, Muhammad Ibrahim. Yes, very good, Sarosh. Yes, very good, Hamail. Okay, Zuhair, first do HCF. Okay, yes, very good, Zuhair. Now do the next question, which is LCM. Rest of the students, do fast. Muhammad Ibrahim is present. Okay. Just Ummehani is absent. And Harim? Harim is also absent. Harim and Ummehani. Zainab? Yes, very good, Sufyan. Okay, next. Stop writing. Now, first of all, we have second method. Second method is by division method. Okay?
Okay.
In prime factorization method, you have to find prime factorization separate. Okay? But now, this one is second method, that is division method. And first of all, we are doing LCM. Okay? LCM by division method. Now, for example, if we have a question, we have two numbers, that is 35 and 45. Okay? And you have to find LCM by division method. So the method is, this one is easiest, LCM by division method. That's why I'm doing first LCM. Okay? You have to find prime factorization altogether. Okay? Means 35 and 45. You have to find prime factorization together. First of all, these two numbers comes in the table of first of all 3.
5.
First of all, 45 comes in the table of 3. If the second one is not comes in that table, so that one becomes as it. Okay, write this one as it. 35, but 3 1 times 3, 1 carry, and 3 5 times 15. Again, 15 comes in the table of 3. 3 5 times 15. Now these two numbers comes in the table of 5. 5 7 times 35, 5 1 times 5. And next, 7. 7 1 times 7, and 1 comes as it. When we have 1 1 at the last, then your prime factorization stop. Okay, now for LCM, what is LCM? Multiply all the factors. Okay, 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now the answer is 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 5 is 45. And 45 into 7, that is 315. Or you can do this one step by step. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 5 into 7. Then 9 into 5 is 45. And 45 into 7, that is 315. Okay, this one is
Ma'am,
that.
can we do it in once?
Yes, you can do. Means directly. You write a factors and then write the last step. Is it clear?
Yes.
This is by division method. LCM by division method. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, now I am giving you one question. And you have to do that one by division method. Question is 9 and 33.